welcome back to my channel. My name is Amina and today I recreated JT's red bang wig when she was on Caresha Please. If you're interested of how I got this look, how I styled it, the makeup, the outfit, the nails, then keep watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. So let's just get right into the video. So happy Halloween, y'all. It's Halloween today actually, and at first I was not gonna dress up or do anything or even post, but I was like, why not? I was thinking, okay, if I want to do anybody, I want to be JT. I love JT. And she had did this red bang hairstyle when she was on Careasha's podcast. And so I just thought she just looked so cute. And I was like, back in 2019, I did a red bang wig. And I have not worn that wig since. So this is the wig, y'all. That's why it looks a mess, because I have not touched it since. So yes, I had picked up these bundles and then I had a closure. It was free parting space, and it was brown hair, it wasn't blonde. So I literally bleached the hair and then I dyed it red, and this was my first time even dyeing a wig. And then I wanted a bang, so I took a closure and then I sewed the closure on, but kind of flipped it over to where I could cut some bangs in it, still intact. So we're gonna turn into JT. And so I'm just gonna straighten it. And don't worry about my flat irons. My flat iron is very dirty. It needs to be cleaned. I remember when I was like right before freshman year of college, when they came out with I'll Take Your Man and then their very first album, I was a super fan. Like, if anybody was messing with the City Girls, I was before everybody else. But yeah, I was listening to them. I remember I was around people, they was like, why do you just keep listening to the City Girls? And I just always liked how they just said whatever they wanted to. And it was like, they said whatever they wanted to say, and it was things that like the average person just would not say. It's not a lot of like brown, dark-skinned rappers like that. I love me some JT. I really do. And honestly, I think I've seen her before, right? So I'm not gonna say where I was, but I was somewhere, right? And I was in the parking lot. And I swear it was her. It was literally her. And she was in her car and she had her window down. And my car was parked right next to her car. Like, I didn't park close to the entrance. So it was literally just me and her car parked near each other, away from everybody else's car. And I was just like, is that JT? And then I literally called my friend. I'm like, I swear JT is right next to me. But like, I didn't say nothing. I didn't, because I just didn't want to bug her. Like, I just didn't want to bug her. She didn't look like she was in the mood to talk at all. But if it was her, like, I'm just not sure if it was her or not, but I really do think it was her. And if it was her, like, she didn't have on no makeup and she looked so pretty. So I'm gonna say I seen her. I'm gonna say I seen her. I'm gonna say that. But I don't usually like dress up for Halloween. Yeah, I never really cared for Halloween, I'm not even gonna lie. And then it's like, you gotta always find a costume last minute. And I just don't be for it. Ooh, this guy is so cute. And I just don't be for it. So yeah, y'all, I'm about to flat iron this other side and then I will be back. And I feel like I look so cute. So now I'm gonna do the makeup. So I just looked up a picture and her makeup is very natural. I'll insert the picture, but her makeup is very natural and she has some shimmer in the corner of her eye, and then the lip is just like a pink lip, brown liner combo. So that's pretty much what I'm gonna do. I'm excited. I'm gonna take these pictures and I'm gonna edit them. But I just want to show like the behind the scenes of how I'm creating this. But the wig is the star of the show, okay? Like, the photos are gonna be cute, the makeup's gonna be cute, but this wig is the star. I'm gonna speed through this, and then I'm gonna do my eyebrows right quick. These are my longest lashes that I have. I think they're like 25s or 26. So they're very long and dramatic. But the picture that I'm referring to, she had on lash extensions and they were actually really long. So I'm okay, I'm gonna put these lashes on. She had like a white shimmer in the corner. This is coming off as like cream, but it was all I had. So it's still shimmer. Her waterline was black, so I put some highlighter on my waterline. And then I was really trying to master this lip. Her lip combo, it was a brown liner, but it was a pink filling. So yeah, I was trying to figure out which pink is gonna look the best and how I can get it to look the way I want it to look. I did not spray my face, so that's what I'm gonna do with you guys. This is pretty much the finished look. And so what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to put on my jean jacket. All right, so this is the best I could do, y'all. I had this jean jacket and it's actually small, so I don't know if y'all can see, but it kind of cuts a little bit. And then I'm gonna put on my press-on nails for this look so I can complete it. Yes, I'll be back when I have my nails on. So I just want to show y'all the outfit. It took me so long to put these nails on. I'm actually like worn out. It took me so long. I'm actually like kind of annoyed now, but yeah, I'm about to take these photos, pop these nails off, and just be done with the whole look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look of me creating JT's red bang wig. Again, I did make this wig just from dyeing it to coloring it to the construction, and I made it in 2019. It's 2022. So happy Halloween. I hope you guys enjoyed this transition. Let me know if you like videos like this. Wanted to make sure I showed me doing the wig, the outfit, a little bit of the makeup, and then I put these nails on. And so I'm going to take my photos. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to y'all next time. Bye, y'all.